What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a GMC Acadia started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2017 Acadia in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message on the dash saying no remote detected. So what we need to do is place our key fob in the transmitter pocket. And the transmitter pocket is in the center console. It's going to be this slot right here. So I'm just going to take the key fob and put it in there like that. And now I should be able to start the vehicle as normal. So now you'll be able to drive as normal, and then you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.